Well, hello, my name is Christopher Scott, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font type and the font size in the YouVersion Bible App. So the YouVersion Bible App is a great way to read the Bible with yourself in a devotional way, or to read it with other people and grow in your walk with Christ. So I'm using the YouVersion Bible App on my iPad here in landscape mode. So we're going to click at the bottom right and open up the text, and then we're going to scroll down so we have a little area that's not highlighted, just so you can see a little more clearly. So I'm going to turn on the device so you can see where I tap. So let's see, say you're reading through the text here, and you're like, it's a little too small, I want to make it larger. There's a capital A and a small a, lowercase a, at the top right there that you can probably see, and we're going to tap that, and here's where you can select the text size and the text type. So I'm going to have to remove the tap icon so that I can touch these. So if you can select the size there, obviously, as you can see, you make it smaller or bigger like you want. Okay, and then you can change the text type. So Veranda, San Francisco. My favorites are Bakersville and Georgia, and the reason I like those is because they have serifs, and serifs are the little kind of the flanges or the extra little curl around some of the letters that just give it a little bit more of an artistic feel. Looks a little bit nicer when I'm reading the Bible. So again, that's how you alter the text size and the type there. Just look for the uppercase A and lowercase a, and just go from there. So my name is Christopher Scott. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'd be glad to help. And if you'd like to read the Bible together on the YouVersion Bible app, you can search for me, Christopher L. Scott, and request a friend. I'd love to meet you and read the Bible together, see what you're highlighting and what you're reading. If you found this video helpful, I have some other videos. You can subscribe at the top left here and be updated when I post new videos. There's also some other videos I've created on how to use the YouVersion Bible app at the top right there. Down here on the bottom left, there are some 5-minute introductions to books of the Bibles that I've created, and at the bottom right are some other videos you might find helpful. So again, it was great connecting with you. Glad that you watched, and hope to have you watch another video in the future. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.